is a Nigerian-American economist, international development expert, and global leader. Born on June 13, 1954.
Because both my parents got scholarships to Germany after the war. Didn't have enough money to take me.
Okonjo-Iweala has risen to become one of the most influential and respected voices in global economics and international development. Okonjo-Iweala was born into a family of royal lineage. Her father, Ngozi Okonjo, was a professor of mathematics, and her mother, Ngozi Okonjo, was a retired professor of sociology. Okonjo-Iweala's early life was marked by a strong emphasis on education, hard work, and public service.
I was growing up with issues of how can we make things better. Now, this whole...
She attended international school in Ibadan, Nigeria, before proceeding to Harvard University, where she earned a bachelor's degree in economics in 1976. She then went on to earn a PhD in regional economics and development from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1981.
Issues of how can we make things better.
Okonjo-Iweala began her career at World Bank in 1982, where she worked in various capacities, including as development economist, a country director, and a corporate secretary. During her 25-year tenure at World Bank, Okonjo-Iweala worked on various development projects in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. In 2003, Okonjo-Iweala was appointed as Nigeria's Minister of Finance. President Olusegun Obasanjo. During her tenure, she implemented various economic reforms, including the establishment of the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority and the introduction of the National Pension Commission. In 2020, Okonjo-Iweala was appointed as Director General of World Trade Organization, WTO, becoming the first woman and the first African to hold the position. She has received numerous awards and honors for her work in economics and international development. Okonjo-Iweala has also been recognized as one of the most influential people in the world by Time magazine in 2014. As the Director General of WTO, Okonjo-Iweala has been a strong advocate for trade liberalization, economic development, and poverty reduction. She has also been a vocal advocate for women's empowerment and gender equality.
I advise women, if you're mentors, don't only look to other women.
Is highly respected and accomplished economist, international development expert, and global leader. Her work has had a significant impact on economic development and poverty reduction in Africa and around the world. Her legacy and impact on global economics and international development will be felt for generations to come.